Hey everyone, thank you for clicking another one of my videos. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button, comment what's the next color wig you want to see me in, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned if you want to see me create this look. I'm going to use my One Size powder in dark 1 to set. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and set. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Nautica Essence palette. Nautical Nonsense palette. The SpongeBob SquarePants collection. And I'm going to take this shade here. This is the e.l.f. Bite Size, is it? Mint Melt palette. Meant to be. I'm going to take this darker shade here. Going to take a little blending brush and this Revolution palette in Safari Green. Going in with the green shade in the middle. And out the end of that. And also just put it here. Here's this look going on. We're going to find out. Okay, I'm going to go in with this brown from this Revolution palette. Blending with that green again. Now going in with the concealer brush with no more product. Take this flat brush and what shade? This green shade? Let's go with this green shade. Let's wet our brush with some setting spray. And go back into that green shade. There we go. In the middle of the green and that brown, we're going to tap this middle shade in the middle. Okay, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Which I know is like I cannot speak today. Today I'm trying the KVD Good Apple in Tan 074. 074? I guess, yeah. I need to color correct first. So I'm going to use the Maybelline. I have the new EcoTools Plant Me Biodegradable Sponge. Okay, I'm going to try something different today. I normally use a brush to apply my foundation. Like, every video y'all see me use a brush, right? always use a brush. But I think I want to use a beauty blender today. Well, not a beauty blender, but a blending sponge, which I'm going to use this same EcoTools on. So that's one side of my face. I have this new 18-hour hydrating concealer by Catrice. This is the shade, what shade is it? Warm Spices 092. Alright, that's a concealer shade, not a highlighting shade. So, this is brighter. This is also new from Tarte. It's the Glow Wand. Okay, it's brighter. Alright, we have this Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito Concealer in Medium Honey. I'm just pounding on stuff. Don't judge me. I just need bright right there and right here. While that's going, let's put on this new e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in the shade Sun Kiss. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetic brush, number 2. Taking a small angled brush with that same e.l.f. bronzer. Okay, taking my Laura powder and the other side of that sponge, I'm just gonna dip it and pat it. I want it to be bright, so I am piling the powder on, honey, on. I'm gonna use this Sephora bronzer in Minkonos with my same BH Cosmetics brush. Oh, we're getting pretty. We are getting pretty. Look at that. I feel cute already. Like, I have not worn makeup in so long. Yeah, see that green? Sometimes, I don't know what it is. I say it's because I'm born on spring that I love bright colors. It could be that I'm just also Jamaican and we just love show outs. So this is my Scott Barnes blush palette. It says Chic Cheek. Which color should we go for? I don't know. This pink? We gotta play with. And with this Luxie brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of that pink that's there. Look at that. Ooh, we Barbie dwelling it today. I do not need no more blush on these cheeks. Okay. Alright. Wait till I see the eyelashes done. Alright. I'm going to set my face with my One Size Turn Up the Base powder. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. A brush. I'm going to use this MAC brush. Okay, I'm going to use this Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter with this Real Techniques brush. I forgot I wanted to try this ColourPop Tea Cakes Cheek Palette. Look. I'm going to use this pink one. So let's keep the pink blush going. And I'm going to use this pink one. I did say I want to put on more blush, right? So, I have this Mint Melt, No Smudge eyeshadow. I'm going to use this green and just smudge that out. Little straight flat brush and a little of that brown and mark it so good right under that runner. Let's take this shade here with a little brush. Oh, that's it. The eyelashes. Let me show you. Look at these. Look at these. Just look at this. Look. Oh. And I have the new Kiss Glue. Oh, that's it. Here it goes. I'm gonna do that. Reline it. Yeah, like. Okay, I'm going to line my lips with this Juvia's Place lip pencil and brownie. For the color in the middle, we're going to go with Juvia's Place and Lady. And did I show y'all what happened? That's what it looks like. That's the color. I want to say thank you for watching another one of my videos. For always rocking with your girl and sticking it through. I know I've been gone for a little minute, but I came back. Don't forget, if you like the video, click like. Hit the little notification button so that you can always be notified of my videos when I post them. And comment what's the next hair color you want to see me in. And have a beautiful day. Stay tuned for more, okay?